Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we'll dive deeper into how Japanese engineers refine recycled materials to meet strict performance and safety standards for modern vehicles. Making sure recycled panels are strong and safe. Reader skepticism about quality is natural. After all, car panels must withstand harsh weather, minor impacts, and the extreme demands of crash testing. To meet these non-negotiable standards, manufacturers apply advanced processes. The recycling process involves advanced chemical and mechanical treatments. For plastics, this usually means detailed purification and compounding. Compounding involves mixing the recycled plastic with virgin materials or reinforcing additives such as glass fibers. This critical step ensures the material meets the precise stiffness, impact resistance, and thermal stability required for automotive components. Recycled panels must perform identically to traditional panels to pass safety regulations. Advanced technology, the secret sauce behind the materials. Achieving automotive-grade quality from used materials requires significant technological support. Two areas stand out: advanced sorting technology and chemical recycling. Japanese plants now use sophisticated sensors and sometimes artificial intelligence, AI, to quickly identify and separate different types of plastics based on their chemical makeup. This ensures high purity in the material stream, which is essential for consistent panel quality. Chemical recycling breaks down polymer chains back into their basic monomers or original liquid state. Manufacturers can then build new, high-quality plastic materials from these foundations. Chemical recycling opens the door for using plastics that were previously considered too dirty or mixed for traditional mechanical melting. This allows for greater purity and strengthens the final product. Your next car. How recycled panels change Japanese vehicles in 2026. The impact of this shift will be highly visible by 2026. It's not just an internal factory change, it affects the performance, cost, and overall environmental profile of the cars sold to consumers. Recycled panel usage directly contributes to two major competitive advantages: efficiency and reduced waste. Lighter cars that save gas, or battery life. One of the often overlooked benefits of modern recycled plastics is their weight reduction potential. When engineered correctly, high-grade recycled plastics can replace heavier metals or older, denser plastic formulations. This reduces the overall weight of the vehicle, which is crucial for modern efficiency goals. The result is tangible for drivers. Gasoline cars benefit from lower weight, meaning less energy is needed to move the vehicle, leading to better overall gas mileage and lower operational costs. Electric vehicles benefit as well. Every pound saved extends the range of the vehicle. Lighter components mean the battery can power the car further, addressing a primary concern for many EV buyers: range anxiety. Less waste, more trees. The environmental wins. The primary advantage is simple. Less waste is buried or burned, and fewer new raw materials are extracted. Using recycled panels significantly reduces the industry's dependence on petroleum, the base material for most virgin plastics. Consider the resource savings. For every ton of recycled plastic used instead of virgin plastic, manufacturers save substantial amounts of crude oil and significantly lower the energy needed for manufacturing. This helps carmakers cut their CO2 emissions during the production phase of the vehicle, making the entire process cleaner. It keeps materials previously destined for landfills in a useful manufacturing loop, completing the circle of sustainability. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.